just hang in there. I know it kind of gets you. It does get me a little bit when you start hearing shit popping. Like, what the fuck? Oh, it's the 4th of July, okay. But one of these days, wouldn't be surprised. Some douchebag country would invade us on the 4th. Be a perfect cover. It's like, hey, that wasn't a firework. That was a fucking building going kaplowy. Holy shit. We got us a fucking sneak attack. I'm talking about sneak attacks, this COVID, or I call Chinese virus. I'm pretty sure it's a sneak attack. If it's not, I think you're fucking smoking dope or something. This is a perfect storm. Get your enemies fucking sicker than a dog, killing them off little by little. Overwhelm the hospitals with the sick, and then they gotta die. And then once they're all fucking weak and bloodied, then you bring in your fucking troops and stomp the shit out of them. And we're not doing shit to worry about it. It's like, oh well, we got the COVID, we'll deal with that. It's like, oh well, yeah, we got the COVID, why don't we go over there and fucking kill the fucking people that brought it to us, fuckers. But the good news, China's got the COVID too. They got probably 10 times more dead people than we do. The only thing that's saving China is when you're in a fucking commie country, you can't have the freedom that we have of going fucking the states to states. Over there, you're fucked. You're fucked. You're staying where you're at unless you got special permission to go move to another area of China. So that could save China in the long run from not getting killed by the virus like America's not. We're spreading it like fucking cockroaches. We're spreading like cockroaches, letting people go everywhere and anywhere. But like I said, San Angelo, we are required to wear a mask when you're outside or out in public. I'm not gonna wear a mask. Not right here by myself, away from people. That's kind of fucking stupid. It's kind of fucking puts a damper on trying to smoke a pipe outside or a cigarette. Oh. It's like, fuck that. I just tell people don't come over. It's like, you just stay over in your spot and I'll stay in mine unless I'm going to the fucking COVID dumpsters or something. The China virus dumpsters. I think that's the biggest spreader of anything. And somebody here had the fucking virus and they're throwing their shit in the trash, and that trash is just sitting there cooking and festering with all the other fucking diseases that are in the dumpster. And then you gotta throw your bag of trash in that dumpster, and that puff of fucking air that is displaced out of that dumpster smacking you right square in the face. You're like, oh fuck, you better hold your breath or throw your bag in and run. Or I'm fucking out of here. got reloaded. Damn tree's blocking my firework. I hear a cat. What you doing, cat? Hopefully it's not a fucking skunk. Haven't seen too many stray cats lately. I'm real surprised. They usually start having babies, and the babies start running around by now. Saw a rabbit, one rabbit this year. Saw a skunk. Haven't seen a lot of deer. Don't know what the deer are doing. They probably ran to the Butte Lake where there's not a lot of people around it. But yeah, nice night. You can't complain about this. You can't complain about this, Father. Nice moon in the sky, a little star next to it. Must be, I don't know which one that would be. I'm not a big astronomer dude. It's just too bright to really see the good stars, the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper and the North Star and all that. I don't know. I guess that star could be either Jupiter or Mars or something, I guess. I don't know. Didn't know. But it's fun to see a shooting star, falling star, meteor showers. I guess we'll turn off the camera. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a safe 4th of July. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.